friends, I hope you're doing good and watching my videos. Today's video is about Play-Doh. We are making Play-Doh, and this is my sister, this is my friend Danya, this is my sister Cindy. Say hi.
Hi friends, I'm friends today, and this is my number Danya and my Anna.
Say hi.
Hi. Today we're going to make Play-Doh. I'm going to help Audrey make Play-Doh today. And Anna see beautiful. Then I helping Anna and Danya. So let's get started making.
Now the ingredients we need are we need how many cups food colors you have. It matters on how many food colors you have. You take that many cups. You take that many cups, and you need food colors and cups and measuring cups and measuring spoons.
And flour, oil, and salt.
Let's get started making Play-Doh. Adding warm water, I warmed it up so it's warm. And warm water is what we need to make the Play-Doh. So I have this measuring cup, and it's only going to be up to a half, 1/4 half. So we take the cup, pour this much, and pour it. Then the other one.
Give me mine. Give me mine. Give me mine.
And this. Good. Now we pour the water. My sister is gonna add the food colors. So I'll open the box. Now Sneaky, pour 2 dots.
Okay.
Slowly, okay? Got done. Okay? One more. Pour the food colors inside the water. Now we have to give them a little stir. So let's start from red. Stir it up a bit. A measuring tablespoon. Then I'm gonna put oil inside it. Then I'll pour it into each one. Okay, take oil in this one. And just pour some inside it. And the next one. And pour oil into that. Next one. Pour oil.
I said my turn. A half cup of salt into the flour. Mix them together. Oops. We'll add 1 full cup into each bowl.
Pour 1 full cup of flour into each bowl. Then we have to mix it so it can turn into dough. So let's mix. You have to mix it very, very nicely.
My friends, I love doing stuff with my friends. So Audrey is my best friend because he'll do fun things with me and do funny things with me, and he makes me laugh, and I love playing with him, and a lot, and I love playing with him.
I make silly jokes out of nothing, like a keychain eating a car. How would that happen? Keychains are not real.
Yeah,
Cars are not.
He makes me silly with that stuff. And I am silly.
How can water play with walls? They're not real. How can they play?
Yeah.
Silly.
Yeah, that's why he always makes me laugh.
And it's almost ready.
Ready.
Yeah.
So, yeah, mixing and playing. And I know we can get playing with them. Ooh, I gotta mix it.
Look how nice the Play-Doh came out. So circly.
Circle And shape too.
And there's an orange. That's color orange. A carrot is orange. What colors are the red, Danya?
It's kind of pink.
I know. What fruits and vegetables are red?
Strawberries are red. Tomatoes are red. And hearts are red.
Sneaky. What fruit or vegetable is yellow?
Carrot.
No. Banana.
Banana.
Yes, good job.
Mango.
Good job.
Carrot.
No. That's good, Sneaky. Good, nice
And
try.
the sun.
Yeah, sun too.
So this is our Play-Doh, and we're going to put it in a Ziploc so it can last a long time. Put it in a Ziploc, and now the Ziploc. The plus of heavy.
Want me to help you?
Yeah.
This is I can fix this faster than you can say buncha, muncha, crunchy carrots. Done. Make some shapes, Danya and Sneaky?
Yeah, sure we can make some shapes, so Dwight. Let's
Okay.
get started.
Make a shape, guys.
Yeah. Yes.
So let's get started.
You can use this one first. Today is the best day ever. Play-Doh.
Yes. Finish.
You want to make some more shapes, guys?
Sure.
I'm going to make some more alien. I'm going to make some more claps. I'll make how many claps I can.
Take the outer boarding off.
Now
Look. The shapes came out so nice.
Look, the shapes came out so nice.
Look, Sneaky.
Came out so nice.
Nice. That's okay. So let's put it back on the ground.
Yeah.
And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up.
And
Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. Bye bye. See you next video.
bye.